secondary side of the transformer. It's going to inductively couple that signal over to the primary, and we're going to trace that primary back to the source. So stick this on the cabinet, since you got the gloves and everything. Just stick it right there on the cabinet. It's magnetic. Get it right there. It should hold itself on. And first we're going to clip this to the neutral. Clip that to the X1 or X2 bushing, whichever one you want to try to follow. And then we'll okay, now just turn the unit on, press that right hand button. You may have to take your glove off. You'll be able to get your finger on it. Okay. If the left hand button is down, it's just going to read the current as it starts to build up. So that's 7692. If you press that left hand button and it pushes out, then it's going to measure the current, the voltage, which should be 120 volts. So push that far left hand button. It's just a momentary button. What it'll do is just snap out, and now there's your voltage, 122 volts. And we should be able to see that current climb. Once it reaches 500, then we can take the receiver probe and find the source input cable. Okay, to verify the tool is working, just get it close to that wire and make sure that it's beeping. Get it close to the brown wire, for example. Get the end of it, and it'll start beeping here in a second. Okay, so that verifies the tool's working. Okay, there's a concave tip here. So when we're picking that up, we're going to go onto the neutral wire, and the cable should be perpendicular, laying in that concave tip. If the wire's like this, it won't pick it up. It has to be like this. Okay. Also, if you put it on the wire and it doesn't pick it up, rotate it 180 degrees and check it again. So you can
need to go on the concentric of the wire?
The concentric, yeah, that bugs off before it reaches the common ground point. All right, y'all got it? See it picking it up now?
Yeah.
Beeping there? And it's going out the neutral. Okay? So if it's going out, then that means it's coming up from this way. So the source cable on the other side will be going the same direction. Everybody follow me there? See it beeping down? Now if we were able to pick it up on the primary, it would beep the other way. But we'd probably have to go phase to phase. Really? But the easiest way is to go to the neutral here. Now over here, it's not going to beep anywhere over on any of these other cables. It's only going to beep on the source cable feeding this transformer. Y'all got it? See the beep?
Yeah.
Alright, that was pointing into it.
You ready to turn it off?
So the source is to the left. See it right there, pointing to the left?
That one's going down too.
Nope, it's going on to the ground. That one's pointing to the ground. The other one's pointing to the cable.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, see, it's pointing to the cable. Alright, turn the machine. Alright, so that is the source right there. One pointing to the cable is the source. Or
no, that's the one coming from the other.
Right, it's the load cable going to where they're located. So however you want to mark that with your tape or your whatever. So this, all right, Mike, you can cut the box off, Mike. All right, move the leave the brown clip on the neutral, and move the blue clip to X1. So the one on the left.
This is the test we just did. This right here is the going from the fuse. This is the source coming in. That's the source
cable on the right.
That's the one going to the transformer.
On the left.
And that's the way it should be lined up in here. That's correct. I like that.
It should get.
That's going up.
All right, we got it. You cut it, or if you want to see it go the other way, go ahead. There it goes to the right. All right, you can cut it off. Okay, no, we got it. That's the load cable going to y'all. It's pointing up into it, and the other one should be pointing the other way. Yep, it's pointing out.
Okay.
Yep.